Hey everybody, coming to you with a new type of meme review. I've never done one like this before. This is a video sent to us by Nick Lugos. So I wanted to show this to you because this is really hilarious. It's awesome. And I love it because I love North Korean memes. Now, it's horrendous that these poor people have to live like this. But their government really deserves it. So let's look at it. North Korean doctor after botching Kim Jong-un's surgery, which may have happened. We're not sure. Ready? We got a Mario racing game, as you can see up here, and this guy looks like he's a big monkey. Is getting out of there as fast as he can because Kim Jong Un will probably shoot him with an artillery cannon. So I would get out of there like that too. This is an awesome meme. One, it goes after Kim Jong Un. Kind of a shame they didn't botch the surgery. Also, you have it's a pop culture thing, so I like that, even though I'm not really up on things like this. So here's how I'm going to rate this. If a terrible writing utensil is a piece of chalk, right? And then right in the middle, you have one of these cheap, crappy Papermate adjustable pencils some of you guys like. Then you have a Dixon Ticonderoga, but right at the top, you have the Pigma Micron, which I think is one of the best pens made. This is a Pigma Micron meme. This is a perfect meme. It hits just like the Pigma Micron, see it has that really fine point. It hits its point right on the nose. It makes a very witty point, and it goes after Kim Jong Un. So it hits all the sweet spots for me. Very good one, Nick. Have a good day.